guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing Snoop slimes. So recently I've been looking around at her slime shop and I saw she had some really cool slimes that look like a lot of fun, and I'm just so excited to review Snoop slimes today, and I really hope you guys enjoy. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and follow me on Instagram where I post exclusive slime videos. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. And without further ado, let's get started. So here's the package that I ordered from Snoop Slimes. In total, I spent $57.12, including a discount code, and I purchased 4 different slimes. The package also took 5 days to arrive. All of the slimes came very nicely packaged in bubble wrap and also some packing peanuts. She also sent me some extras, which were a slime care sheet, 2 pieces of candy, a little bag of borax, and a mini squishy. So here's the first slime that I'm going to be opening. So this one is called Sugar Cookie Frosting, and this one costs $13. It's a super pretty light pink butter slime topped off with some really cute heart-shaped sprinkles. This slime has a very soft and creamy texture. It's great for stretching, poking, and it has really nice bubble pops. The slime also has a very nice light sugar cookie scent that smells so good, and I just thought it went perfect with the slime. This is also one of the softest slimes I've ever felt, and I just really liked this one. So here's the second slime that I'm going to be opening. So this one is called Duck in a Pond, and this one costs $12.75. This is an unscented blue clear slime that comes with 3 really cute duck charms. This clear slime has a very nice and thick texture. It's very nice and stretchy, it has great clicking noises, and it also has really nice bubble pops. This slime was so crystal clear and it was very satisfying to mix. This slime just has the perfect texture and I definitely recommend it. So here's the next slime that I'm going to be opening. So this one is called Marshmallow Twist, and this slime costs $13.25. This is a really pretty 3-colored pink, blue, and yellow cloud slime topped off with some candy charms and also some sprinkles. This cloud slime has a very nice texture. After the 3 colors are mixed, it turns into this really pretty light green color. This slime is super soft and fluffy, it has amazing drizzles, and it also has a really nice marshmallow scent. The slime does leave some snow fall out on my hands and table, but other than that, I really liked this slime. So here's the last slime that I'm going to be opening. So this one is called Fruity Pebbles Foam, and this slime costs $12.75. This is a full foam slime with both large and small rainbow and white foam beads with an amazing Fruity Pebbles scent. This foam slime has such a nice texture. The foam beads make the slime so nice and crunchy, and it's a lot of fun to play with. The slime also has the perfect Fruity Pebbles scent, and it just smells so good. Overall, I think Snoop Slimes is an amazing slime shop. I've been wanting to try out their slimes for a long time now, and I am so glad I did. They are just so nice, and I definitely recommend checking them out. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below which slime shop you'd like me to see review next. And again, be sure to hit that red subscribe button and follow me on Instagram where I post exclusive slime videos. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!